In this video, we're going to look at the product rule one more time with an example I already looked at, but we're going to look at rewriting it or foiling it first. I guess I should say it's technically not FOIL in this example, it's just distribution. All right, fine. So we're going to distribute this 6 square root x through, and then I won't have a product anymore. I can go ahead and just take the derivative term by term. Okay, so when I distribute this, I'm going to get 6x squared times the square root of x plus 6 square root of x. Now, I did not write g prime of x because I'm not taking a derivative yet. However, I do need to get it ready for taking a derivative, which is to say x, the square root of x is the same thing as x to the 1/2. Okay, and I need to go ahead and use that property of exponents that x to the a times x to the b is you add exponents, right? Okay, so 2 plus 1/2 is 5/2. So this would be 6x to the 5/2 plus 6x to the 1/2. All right. Now I'm going to finally take a derivative. So here we go. When I take a derivative, what I'm going to get is 6 times 5/2 x to the negative, 5/2 minus 1 is 3/2. Then I'm going to have 6 times 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. And you're going to notice I already have the answer down below because in my last video, that was our answer down below. And we're going to see that we're going to get the exact same answer. Okay, so 6 times 5/2 is 15, x to the 3/2. 6 times 1/2 is 3, x to the negative 1/2. And that is the exact same answer that I just erased that was from my previous video. Okay, now, one last time, I'm going to remind you how to rewrite this as roots. The fractional denominator tells you what type of root it is. The top tells you what's underneath the house. So for this one, this would be 15 square root of x cubed plus, okay. Now this negative means that this root's going to be in the denominator. So this would be a square root of x in the denominator. That 3 does not have a negative exponent. So the 3 stays up above. The square root of x is down below. All right, that is our answer. Okay, so rule of thumb. Yes, you do need to do product rule in general. However, if you can avoid it by just distributing and doing it term by term, go for it. All right, good luck.